Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the vivid coloring tutorial on CapCut. So you can do this color adjustment for your if you want to edit your anime video. So first add your clip to CapCut and then click on adjust and use these adjustments. So for the brightness, lower it into a -15, and then the contrast add it into around 30, then set the saturation into 20 and exposure 6, then set the sharpen into 100, and last add some highlight around 20. Okay, and now you are done. So that's a simple color adjustment for a vivid color. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.